Hi everyone, how's it going? Welcome to Quick Learn, and for today's video, I'll be showing you how to use rev.com to earn money by transcribing. Now without further ado, let's get started. So as you can see, transcribing is the process of converting speech from an audio or video recording into text. So if you think you can actually do that, rev.com is the perfect platform for you. Now all you need to do is go to rev.com, that is of course the website. So as you can see, rev.com is fast and accurate transcription services. So if you want to buy, let's just say place your order right here. So you have a lot of checkout plans that you can actually have. So let's just say see pricing right here. So as you can see, there are 4 products that you can actually pay. So if you are a customer and you want to pay for a subscription for a transcription, so as you can see, we have automated transcription. So this is a get a text transcript of audio or video generated by industry leading AI. So this is 0.25 per minute. So this is best for personal use. So 5 minutes turnaround time and 90% accurate. So if you are into for personal use, you can actually get the automated transcription, but this is not very accurate. As you can see, it has only 90+% accuracy. So next is the human transcription. So this is where you can actually get a text transcript of audio or video generated by a professional typist. So this is actually a 1.50 per minute. So this is best for published content, and this is 99% accuracy. And as you can see, if you want that, you can actually get transcripts right here. So next is English captions. So you can actually add English language captions from a professional typist to your video. So if you want to have an English language caption, so for example, if you are having a video in Spanish or any other languages and you want to actually have a English subtitles for that, you can actually get this one right here. So lastly is the global subtitles. So let us translate your English video into a variety of language. So as you can see, this is actually the same as this one, but it has 48-hour turnaround time and best for global video content. So it has also 17 global languages to easily expand the range of your content. So as you can see, these are the products that we can actually get from rev.com, but we are not here to actually buy. We are here for a job. So I'm just going to go back right here into the rev.com homepage. So if you want to become a freelancer, all you have to do is scroll down right here. And once you are done with that, just go down and just click on simply become a freelancer. So I'm just going to click on that. And as you can see right now, Rev Freelance. So jobs let you work from anywhere. So if you are anywhere in the world, you can earn money transcribing, captioning, or subtitling from anywhere and anytime. So as you can see, it has create a flexible work schedule. So our freelancing jobs allow you to work as much or as little as you want. So this simply means that how much work have you done, that is the pay that you will actually get. So if you work a lot, you will be actually paid a lot. So if you work like a little less from what you normally do, you will be paid a little less. So that's actually how payment works on rev.com. So next is choose from hundreds of jobs. So enjoy selecting from a variety of projects that actually interest you. So our vast network of customer means a steady stream of freelancing jobs to choose from. So there are 100 jobs for you to actually pay. You can actually become a transcriptionist, a captioner, or whatever jobs they are offering. So next is the pay. So receive weekly payouts via PayPal for all work completed. So Rev is on time and dependable. So this is actually good because rev.com actually pays very well if you do your work very well, and they actually have a weekly payouts via PayPal. So this is actually good if you want to have a part-time job or if you want to have a part-time income. So rev.com is good for a part-time job or whatever you actually want. So next right here, there are 2 types of jobs you can actually get from rev.com. So first is a transcriptionist. So a transcriptionist listens to audio and video and accurately type what is being said. And next is label speakers. So a transcriptionist says that you will listen to audio or a video and you will type what the audio or video is actually saying. So that is basically a transcriptionist. So the range of pay is between $0.30 to $1.10 per audio video minute. So this is actually good because you will be paid per audio video per minute. So I'm just going to click on learn more right here on what is actually said. So as you can see, earn money with transcription jobs from home. So we aren't currently accepting applications from your location. So as you can see, this basically depends on where you actually live. And if you qualify for rev.com, you can actually do that right about here. So these are 3 easy steps you can actually do so that you can start a work from rev.com as a transcriptionist. So you'll sign up and get approved to transcribe. So you will take a quiz and submit a transcript to demonstrate your mastery of English language and Rev styling rules. So if you're approved, you can start working right away. So don't worry, this is not a hard quiz. This is actually a simple English quiz that you can actually take. So if you actually understand me, you can if you actually understand basic English, so you are good to go. And next is to choose from available transcription jobs. So you'll find hundreds of transcription jobs to choose from. Select jobs you're interested in and work as little or as much as you prefer. So this is basically it. So if you select a job and you actually work harder, or if you work a lot, you will be actually get paid a lot. So if you work less, you will be actually paid less. So that is basically it. And next is get paid weekly via PayPal. So you will get paid every Monday for all audio transcribed and completed the prior week. So this is very good if you want to have that one. And these are the benefits of working with Rev. So decide what you want to work on, get paid weekly, and choose your own schedule. So this is basically good for part-time clients. So next is if you want to become a captioner, so all you need to do is watch a video and accurately type what is being said and creatively convey sounds and sync type of audio with videos. So a captioner basically will listen and watch the video, and they will type what is accurately being said in the video, and they will sync the video to the audio. So that is basically it. So if you've seen movies with captions, so that is the work of a captioner. So I'm just going to click on learn more here again if you are interested with that. So as you can see, there are 3 easy steps. So as you can see, it is basically the same as a transcriptioner. So you will take a grammar quiz and you can choose from available captioning jobs, and you will get paid every Monday via PayPal. So as you can see, once I scroll down, start making money in 3 easy steps. So first is to take a quiz to demonstrate your English language and grammar skills. So if you understand basic English, or if you know basic English, this is actually very easy for you to do. And the next step is to submit a transcription or caption sample, which will be reviewed to ensure it meets customer quality expectations. So if you pass this quiz right here, you will be leaded to the next step, which is actually to submit a transcription or caption sample. So they will give you a transcription, or they will give you an audio, and you will transcribe it. Or if you work as a captioner, they will give you an audio and you will actually caption it. And once you have done that, they will review it. So if they like what you have done, you will actually be approved, which is the next step right here. So you will be able to register and start earning right away. So next is, if you know any foreign language, if you know a lot of languages, you can actually work as a subtitler. So the pay is between $1.50 to $3 per audio or video per minute. So if you are into a lot, or if you know a lot of languages like Spanish, German, or any other languages, you can actually work as a subtitler, which pays really well, around $1.50 to $3 per audio or video per minute. So if you're done with this, you can actually go to sign up to be a Rev freelancer. So as you can see, we are not currently accepting applications from your location. So if you qualify, or if your location qualifies for this, you can actually get a sign up button right here, and now you'll be leaded to the steps right here. So I guess that's it for this video, and I hope you find this video helpful and you enjoy this. So if you have a questions, if you have a suggestions or comments, just leave it down in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this video, and please give this video a like, subscribe to this channel, and of course click on that notification bell to be notified for future videos. Bye!